Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the slow performance issues after updating in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all open a file explorer, go to your C drive. After that, go to your Windows, and after doing this step, find out a software distribution. Now here is the software distribution. Open it and delete all these files. Right click and click on delete. After that, the second method is that in the search box type a disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup. Select a C drive, click on OK, click on clean up system files. After doing this step, check all it, click on OK button and click on delete all files. Okay guys, after completing that, you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu and go to your task manager, go to your startup, and if you are found any unwanted apps, then select the unwanted app and disable it. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After that, type a command is sfc /scan now and press enter. After that, it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. After completing that, type a command is dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. After that, it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. After that, type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and run the Windows update. After that, click on close button and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.